Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm walking you through how to use the Summarize and Union DAX functions in Power BI to create customized summary tables. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, so even if you're just starting out with Power BI, by the end, you'll know how to combine, summarize, and visualize your data in ways that really unlock its potential and help tell better stories. And as a bonus, all the formulas I mentioned today will be right down in the description so you can follow along without missing a beat. Let's dive in. First things first, we need a base dataset to work with. Head up to the Home tab in Power BI and click on Enter Data. We'll enter a simple table with 3 columns, region, product, and sales. So imagine you're managing a small team's sales results. You've got sales figures for laptops and phones across the East, West, and North regions. This data may look basic, but it's a great start for practicing data modeling and getting clear insights. You don't need a giant dataset to demonstrate powerful techniques. Once your data is in, let's move on to our first example, summarizing by region. Go up to Modeling and select New Table. This is where you'll type in the DAX formula to generate a table that groups your sales by region. If you're new to grouping data, think of it like this. You're gathering all the sales from, say, the East and tallying them up. The output will show total sales for East, West, and North, all in one neat table. The magic here is seeing that, with just a couple lines of DAX, you can transform raw transactions into summarized insights. Take your time typing in the formula. If Power BI isn't showing an immediate result, don't worry, it sometimes needs a moment to process. Now let's try summarizing by product instead of region. Again, make a new table and enter the corresponding DAX formula. This will give you sales totals for laptops and phones. Why is this useful? Well, say you want to see which product is driving revenue regardless of where it's sold. This summary gives you a clear, quick answer. If your numbers aren't matching, double-check the spelling and the columns. Power BI is picky about matching names. Here comes the fun part, combining both summaries into a single table using the union function. Go ahead and create another new table and enter the third formula. With union, you're stacking the region and product summary tables on top of each other. The result is a hybrid table showing total sales by region and by product, side by side. It's like having two perspectives at once, the helicopter view by region and then drilling down into what's selling. Just make sure your columns align in order and type, otherwise union might throw an error. If you see a mismatch, check that your summary tables both have columns named total sales for Power BI to combine them smoothly. Alright, now let's see all these tables in action. Navigate to the Visuals pane and set up a table visual, dragging in your new combined table. Let's call it Region Product Union. You'll see both region and product totals together, which is fantastic for dashboards or quick reporting. Want to focus on just regions? Set up a bar chart with region summary, putting region on the x-axis and total sales on the y-axis. You'll instantly spot which areas are performing best. Or pivot to products with product summary to spot trends there. Even though our dataset is tiny, these techniques scale perfectly as your data grows, so once you're comfortable here, you're ready for more complex scenarios. And that's it, you've just learned how to use Summarize and Union in Power BI to bring clarity and flexibility to your reports. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, drop any questions or thoughts in the comments. I always check and reply. And don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and keep exploring your data.